Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Vite Ramen. This is their vegan Japanese curry 3.0. 460 calories, 8 grams of fat, no cholesterol. 6 grams of fiber, 24 grams of protein. That's a lot of protein and a whole slew. There's molybdenum. Wait, let me make sure. Yes, there's 26% of your daily requirement of molybdenum. What is molybdenum? It's what makes swords strong. And it's a dietary supplement. Here's our soup base. And here's our noodle block. These smell nutty, and I love that about them. Oh! And there we go. This goes for 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Oh, where do I start? So, yeah, so we got the free turkey. And we decided Friday would be the day that the turkey is prepared. And it seemed like it was thawed out. My wife has made many a turkey, many of a divine and flavorful turkey, I must say. I think she put it in like around 6 p.m. We usually don't end up having dinner until like 11 at night. Well, folks, we had dinner at 2 in the morning, and yeah, she didn't like the turkey. I like turkey, so you can't go wrong with me with turkey. But it was, what do you call it? It was on the dry side, and I don't know, the breast came out good, but the legs, no. So, we had turkey. We, what else? I was going to talk about something else. Yeah. But, unfortunately, today, my son is ill. He ended up having a fever last night and the night before. And if you've had a fever, you have to stay home from school for a whole 24 hours until it's all done. And you can tell he's not feeling great. It's like, man, the sick just keeps going around and around and around. I don't feel bad. I mean, I feel bad for him, but I don't feel sick, so that's a plus. I'm just ready to get out and do some walking. And yeah. That's the plan. And yeah, got a bunch of new pants. I'm stoked on that. Not a lot. Oh, today's Cyber Monday. I was looking at shirts on there, on Amazon. They got these shirts for like 13 bucks. They're rad. They're tall. I like tall shirts. They're enjoyable, as I am tall, I guess. I don't feel tall, I just feel... I wonder if people who are like 8 feet tall feel like they're tall, or just feel like the world is malformed for their presence when they try to go through doorways. I knew a guy who was seemed really tall, and he always like ducked down going under doorways, and it was just like... It's like, how rude of the universe not to include you in its design. He was like, yeah, huh? Yeah, it's like, come on, dude. There's plenty of tall people, plenty of short people. So would that offend the short people? If everything was like a foot taller to accommodate the tallest of the tall? Would they feel like they were just trapped in a perennial dollhouse? I don't know. Put your comments below if you're a extra tall or extra short person. If you really want to. You don't have to do that. You do know that when I say add your comment for something, generally, I'm just being a smart ass, right? Because you don't have to do that. Unless you wanna. I don't know. I've gotten some comments before that have been really interesting. And ones that are just like really stupid. It's like, you could have, like, it's all about mileage, man. Those finger taps, you could have saved those for something way more, with more point to it. But I guess if you don't care about the arthritis, you know, save them finger taps, buddy. All right, so here's what we got here. It looks a lot like the Masaman, to be honest. Here's our noodle. And I am very familiar with this noodle. Thick, it's chewy. The broth has a nice look to it. Smells good. And it's really, really, really hot. What I like about this Japanese curry is the fact that it's not violently sweet. That's my main complaint about a lot of Japanese curry varieties, that they're just like so incredibly sweet, so incredibly salty, just too much. This one's pretty savory, but not like a violent sodium fest, which I like. God, especially after the last one. Just type in instant noodle recipe time and subtract 1 from this, the number that this video is, that it says, and then watch that one. I didn't like that one. This I like. That last one I really was not enamored with. Oh, come on, chicken. And yes, what the heck was that? I do understand, but it's vegan. Why are you putting chicken in it? Because I'm not vegan. Why am I using a fork? Because I'm used to it. I won't go down the road of talking about forks right now. Forks are not something I wish to bother you with right now. But yeah, I'll never get over that. I'll say it, and then I'll move on. So people are always going off, why don't you, I thought you were a professional, dude, and then I saw the fork. Like, you're right, I don't know what to say. I've always used one. I have no problem using chopsticks when that is the main option. But here in my kitchen, I use a fork. But the one thing that people will say that drives me insane is, oh, no, it really makes the food taste better. It's so authentic. And then I come back at them with like, oh, I know. And when I put on blackface when listening to gangster rap, it just makes me feel like so much more in tune with the music. It's just such a... Whoa, 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 whoa. You are a... Oh, come on, jerk off. Okay, that works. Come on, can you get back in there? Oh, you freaking runny son of a bitch. Pardon my French. Actually, that's not use of the French language. That's plain old Inglés, I believe. But yeah, that egg did not behave. Oh, and then comes the sun. No, 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 no. Yeah, here comes that freaking hot yellow moon to ruin my goddamn day. Now, stay away, sunlight. I'm glad I'm recording this, because if I wasn't and I was just yammering like this, nobody was here or nothing was being recorded, I think I would be considered clinically insane. But yeah, I've got like, I think I got this review and maybe the next one before the sun takes over and makes me draw the blinds. And when I have to draw the blinds, then my images, just the pictures I take, aren't as lovely. Well, a little bit of seed for you right there on a beautiful Monday morning here in lovely downtown Kenmore, Washington. It's a cool 39 degrees. Possibility of snow this week. And a little crushed pepper. And yeah, I should have used shichimi. My apologies. But there. Let's curse the sun. Together. Well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Paldo Tumse Ramen for spicy lovers. It's kind of weird because usually it's Tumse is one word. It's a Korean variety, but it's made in the U.S. And I'm going to tell you why this one is listed on the site when it posts as a product from the United States. So you'll see in the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. I'll explain it to you. It's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.